Yes.
What do you make of Mr. Trump?
Well, Stendhal came up with a great phrase, which was, to translate it, is bad taste leads to crime. And when I first saw Atlantic City and I saw the Trump Taj Mahal and read the brochure in which Trump boasted of the amount of crystal and marble that he had expended on this horrific, ugly, disgusting place, I thought, this is dangerous. I don't know.
Quickly, hide!
Not so funny now, is it? Funny man.
I thought they'd arrest him, but when they found a Quran in his house, they had him executed.